Good afternoon, friends. Manish from TestPrepCard. There is a very good news for all of you, especially for those who are preparing for medical examinations in India. On 11th of April 2016, the Supreme Court of India has recalled its old decision to implement NEET, right? NEET stands for National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. This was actually implemented by MCI, Medical Council of India, in year 2013, but just because of some problem, the Supreme Court had banned this examination. But now, as I told you, on 11th of April 2016, the Supreme Court has once again come up with a decision that there would be only one examination in India for medical, and that would be known as NEET, right? It means all the financial burden, all the exhaustations, now they are all going away. Second thing, there would be no capitation, there would be no profiteering, there would be no donations. Third thing, it's going to check all the malpractices. And now there would be only two examinations in India from year 2017. First is AIIMS examination and second is this NEET. So this is the time you all need to work very hard. Earlier there were more than 90 PMT examinations in India, but all these have been wind up into just one. That's called NEET. So this is the news we wanted to give all of you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.